Sawadika.
Check in inside car.
Thank you. Ooh. Sawadika.
How are you, sir?
Good, you?
Welcome to Ramada Plaza Hotel, sir.
Okay.
If possible, may I have the two passport, please?
Yes. Done. And guys, this hotel is beautiful. So we have our complimentary drinks that we're going for right now. Yeah. Is this one here? Yeah. Let's sit here. One juice. So, ooh, yes, popcorn. So I wanna try this because girl. Yeah, so let me that, and also if I this hotel is giving aesthetic, so like food allergies, so they linked everything here, bread like, and I love this light meat, like very intimate costume. Okay. So, and the popcorn area. So yeah, we're taking some few stuff. Well, the light here is terrible still. We are taking some few stuff to just eat something, then go to the room and we do room tour.
Which floor are you going?
10th floor. Yeah. So it's giving relaxing. It's giving deep sleep. It's giving Thai. It's giving proper honeymoon hotel. Let's get see the room. Wait, let me give you guys the view from here. One side, and now let's go to our section. So as soon as you enter the room, on your left there is the bathroom, then here to wash your hands and just get into the room. So here, and they've already on the aircon for us as it's hot, but right now, ooh, yeah. So if you don't know, it's our honeymoon and they gave us a cake, even a card. Let me read. it says happy honeymoon. Happy honeymoon. Your honeymoon is not just simply a holiday, but the most special holiday. Wish you your honeymoon would become the most beautiful holiday of your life. Enjoy. And here is the card. This is so lovely. And also the time and everything for breakfast and all. And yes, lastly remaining the view from the room. So as I said, this hotel is big, and from here that is the pool, and just across there is the river, where from here you just have access to everything. From here, that is all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment
and subscribe, and see you in her next video. YouTube.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.